Hello. Today, I want to talk about a concept that can change your life forever. The creator of this concept, Neville Goddard, was a famous author and lecturer who spoke extensively about the concept of the sleep-like state. This state, which he referred to as SATs, state akin to sleep, is a hypnotic condition that allows you to tap into your subconscious mind. By being completely relaxed yet still aware of your surroundings, you enter this dreamlike state of consciousness. Neville believed that this occurred approximately 15 minutes before actually falling asleep. During this time, you can use visualization and feeling to impress your subconscious mind with your desires, dreams, and ambitions. The reason this state is so powerful is that the conscious mind is shut down, allowing the subconscious to open up to all possibilities. The conscious mind is often full of doubts, worries, and fears that can prevent our manifestations from coming to fruition. However, in the sleep-like state, the conscious mind is unable to interfere, allowing the subconscious to believe that what we visualize is real. To effectively use this state, it's important to create vivid mental images of your goals and desires. You should play out each step of your manifestation as if it has already happened. The longer you can hold on to this visualization, the deeper it will be imprinted in your subconscious mind. According to Neville, it takes approximately 15 minutes to achieve this state. While in this state, many people find themselves on the road to lucid dreaming. This is because the subconscious mind is awake and able to make our visions and desires a reality. To maximize the effects of this attraction process, it's recommended to do this for a minimum of 22 days, allowing your vibrational energy to rise. If you find that your sleep-like state doesn't last very long, consider the time of day you're attempting it and eliminate any factors that might be disrupting your state. Invest the last 60 minutes of your day in preparing your thoughts and desires by writing them down in a diary or journal. This will help you get into the right mindset. There are 5 strategies you can use to help you get into the right state of mind. The first strategy to effectively enter a sleep-like state, as suggested by Neville Goddard, is to describe and document your desires. This involves taking a diary or journal and writing down what you want to manifest in detail. The goal is to focus your thoughts on exactly what you want to create and be as specific as possible. When writing, make sure to set a deadline for your manifestation and be clear about why you want to accomplish it. In addition to writing down your top 10 most important desires for the next year, it is also recommended to include why they are important to you and the reason behind your motivation. By describing your desires in detail, you are helping your subconscious mind understand what it needs to manifest and the timeline in which it should happen. By spending time before sleep writing down your desires, you are providing your subconscious mind with the opportunity to work on making your desires a reality during the night. This practice helps to reprogram your subconscious mind and align it with your goals and ambitions. Writing down your desires in a journal is a powerful tool in helping to turn your dreams into reality. The second strategy for entering a sleep-like state is to listen to relaxing, meditational music without lyrics. This is a great way to soothe your mind and help it focus on your desired manifestation. After a long day, it's natural to want to slow down your thoughts and enter a state akin to sleep. If you're not in the mood for meditation, try listening to soft music that is calming and does not have lyrics. The music should not be too energetic or distracting, but instead should help you relax and unwind. Music without lyrics is especially helpful because it allows you to focus on your thoughts and visualization without any distractions. You can visualize your goals and desires in your mind's eye while listening to music. The music will help you create a peaceful environment that is conducive to entering a sleep-like state. This state is similar to sleep in that you are relaxed and your conscious mind is relaxed, but you are still aware and awake. In this state, your subconscious mind is more receptive to your thoughts and visualizations. As you visualize your goals and desires, you impress them onto your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind will then work to make your desires a reality. The more relaxed and peaceful you are, the easier it will be for your subconscious mind to accept your visualizations as true. It's important to note that this strategy is not just limited to listening to music. You can also try other methods of relaxation, such as deep breathing exercises, yoga, or taking a warm bath. Whatever helps you to relax and let go of stress and distractions is the best option for you. The third strategy to enter a sleep-like state, as per Neville Goddard, is to create a peaceful environment for yourself. This means getting rid of any distractions and creating a calm atmosphere in your surroundings. A peaceful environment can help you relax and wind down, allowing your mind to focus on your desires and goals. It's important to have a comfortable bed and pillows and to maintain a comfortable temperature in your room. You can also use essential oils or scented candles to create a relaxing atmosphere. If you have trouble sleeping, you can try using a white noise machine or a fan to create background noise that can block out any distractions. Make sure your room is free of clutter and that it's tidy and organized. If you have a lot of light coming into your room, consider investing in blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out the light. When you create a peaceful environment, it sends a signal to your brain that it's time to relax and wind down. The key is to create a routine that you can repeat every night before bed. This can include turning off your phone and other electronic devices, reading a book, or meditating for a few minutes. When you have a routine, your mind will learn to associate these activities with sleep and relaxation, making it easier for you to enter a sleep-like state and focus on your goals. The fourth strategy for entering a sleep-like state is to practice visualization. Visualization is the act of creating a mental movie in your mind, playing out each phase of your desires and goals. When entering a sleep-like state, your conscious mind is switched off and your subconscious mind is open to all possibilities. Your subconscious mind cannot differentiate between imagination and reality. So when you create a vivid visualization of your goals, it begins to believe it as your true reality. The key to effective visualization is to spend time visualizing each detail of your desires. Think about the sights, sounds, emotions, and sensations associated with your goals, and play it out in your mind like a movie. The longer you can keep your visualization, the deeper it will be imprinted in your subconscious mind. As a result, your subconscious mind will work towards manifesting your desires. Moreover, it is essential to be consistent with your visualization practice. Spend a few minutes every night before sleep to visualize your goals and desires and repeat the process for a minimum of 22 days. This is because it takes the subconscious mind 22 days to change its vibration and align with your desires. By regularly visualizing your goals, you will be sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind that your desires are authentic, and it will work to bring them into reality. The fifth and final strategy to help you enter a sleep-like state is to be consistent. This means that you should make it a habit to perform your visualization and mental preparation exercises every night before going to bed. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving your goals and making your desires a reality. When you perform these exercises every night, you are reinforcing the messages you are sending to your subconscious mind, making it stronger and more effective. It's important to remember that the subconscious mind needs repetition to fully embrace and internalize your desires. So, it is recommended to continue this process for a minimum of 22 days, as this is how long it typically takes for the subconscious mind to be reprogrammed and for your desires to start manifesting. Additionally, It's crucial to be patient and persistent in your visualization exercises. Your desired reality may not come to fruition immediately, but if you continue to perform these exercises and believe in your desires, eventually they will become a reality. The sleep-like state is just one of the many tools that Neville Goddard suggests to help you achieve your goals, but the key is to be consistent and persistent in your efforts. In conclusion, the sleep-like state, as described by Neville Goddard, is a powerful tool for manifestation. By utilizing visualization and feeling in this state, you can impress your subconscious mind with your desires and bring them to life. Remember to let go of negative thoughts, have a clear and vivid visualization, and be consistent in your practice. With persistence and effort, you can turn your dreams into reality. As this video comes to an end, please do share in the comments section your thoughts on how you wish to implement the strategies described in today's recording. Please do like and subscribe to our channel as we continue to bring you more mind-engaging content in the days to come. Thank you for watching.